Welcome to Canara Bank Quick Pay tutorial for other banks. Open canarabank.com in your web browser, then click on Net Banking from the top right menu bar. Then select your login type to go to the login page. Enter your login credentials, then select Login. From the home page, go to the Fund Transfer section. Select Quick Pay from the Pay and Transfer section of your home page, then select Other Bank. Select the debit account, then enter the beneficiary details and IFSC code, then click on Pay to confirm. Verify the details of your transaction, then click on Confirm to proceed to authentication page. Enter your transaction password and the OTP received on your registered mobile number, then click on Submit to authenticate the transaction. Congratulations! Quick Pay to other bank through net banking is successful.